Hi sweet blossoms, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nazanin and I'm so happy to have you here. Today we're gonna crochet this super cute mini hat keychain. It's fun and easy project made with scrap yarns. So let's get started. Start with magic ring, wrap a yarn around your finger, make an X, insert your hook under it, grab a yarn, bring it out and make a chain. Here is our little magic ring. Now we're gonna making 6 single crochet in the magic ring. Insert your hook into the ring, grab a yarn, bring it out, and again grab a yarn and pull 2 loops. This is how we make single crochet. Continue with making single crochets in the magic ring until we reach to the 6th single crochet. Okay, close the hole by pulling up the loop of the first, and now join with the slip stitch to the first single crochet here. For the round 2 we're gonna increasing our single crochet, make a chain, doesn't count it as a stitch, make 2 more single crochet in the first stitch here. We're gonna making 2 single crochet into the each next stitches, 1 and 2. Continue with making single crochets into the each stitches until the end. In the end, total of our stitches must be 12 single crochet. Okay, if you are new in my channel and haven't subscribed yet, and if you are enjoying the crochet and enjoying this video, please tap that subscribe button and give me a like. Okay, join with the slip stitch to the first in the end, and now we're gonna making 1 chain, doesn't count as a stitch, and then make 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. Now we're gonna increase single crochet in the next stitch, that means 2 single crochet in the same stitch, again 1 single crochet in the next stitch, increase single crochet. Do this until the end by making 1 single crochet and increase single crochet. Okay, in the end our stitches must be 18 single crochet. Okay, so next time you're wondering what to do with those yarn scraps, now you know. Okay, in the end our stitches is 18. Join the slip stitch to the first stitch, and now for the round 4 make 1 chain, doesn't count it as a stitch, then make 1 more single crochet in the same stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, now increase single crochet, again 1 single crochet into each next 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the third stitch. Repeat this diagram until the end. In the end our stitches must be 24 single crochet. Okay, this little hat also make an adorable accessory for a little girl's Barbie doll. Don't you agree? I think it's very suitable for the Barbie dolls too. If you give it as a gift to a little baby girl, she will be very happy, I promise to you. Okay, in the end join with the slip stitch to the first stitch, and now make a chain for the round 5 to 8. Continue with making 1 single crochet into each stitches of each round. Okay, round 5, 6, 7 and 8. Just keep going along by making 1 single crochet into each 24 stitches in each round. Okay, I made my stitches and rounds here, and I reached to the round 9. After that first chain, I'm gonna making 1 slip stitch into each next 8 stitches here. Insert my hook into the stitch, grab a yarn, bring it out, and again bring it out of the loop on the hook. Now I'm gonna making 2 half double crochet in the next stitch, wrap a yarn, insert your hook into the stitch, grab a yarn, bring it out, and grab a yarn and pull through all the loops. Okay, again 2 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 and 2. Now I'm gonna making 4 increase double crochet into each next 4 stitches, 2 double crochet in the each stitch. Wrap a yarn, insert your hook, bring it out, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, repeat this 4 times, 2 double crochet into each next 4 stitches. After that, second increase of double crochet. Okay, just making 2 double crochet into each next 4 stitches. Now I'm gonna making 2 half double crochet into each next 2 stitches. Increase half double crochet. Okay, the second one. And now I'm gonna making 1 slip stitch into the each next 8 stitches. Okay, until I receive to the end. What color are you using for your summer hat? Have you ever made a tiny accessory like this or not? Tell me in comments. In the end, cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off with needle. I usually use my needle for fastening off. Insert your needle under the second stitch here. Bring it out. Again, insert it inside the first stitch here. Inside it, bring it out and little pull it, and done. There is no sign of the sewing. Now hiding it and secure it inside the stitches in the wrong side. I'd love to hear from you. Should we crochet a matching mini bag or some tiny sandals next? Drop your ideas in the comments. Okay, cut the tail of the yarns. Hide another tail of the yarn from first the magic ring to here. Just moving between the stitches very slowly. Don't push too hard the needle, and secure your tail of the yarn between the stitches. Okay. You can decorate your hat with little gems, cute stickers, or anything you have. You could even embroider a name, a letter, or a sweet design to make it extra special. I'm gonna embroider the little M on mine. I'm using my needle for making a letter M on my hat here. Okay, secure your tail of the yarn on the wrong side between the stitches and cut the yarn. Okay, and there you go, our adorable mini hat is ready. Isn't it cutest little keychain ever? Or maybe a perfect hat for Barbie dolls. Now I'm attaching the keychain to hat. I insert it right through center of the single crochet here. Then hook the chain part to it and use the pliers to tighten everything securely, and done. If this little hat brought a smile to your face today, don't forget to give it a like and hit that subscribe button, and dive into the playlist in the description. They're full of fun, tiny, and crochet colorful mix that I just know you'll love. Thanks for watching. Happy crocheting. See you in next time. Love you all. Bye.